Hi, I'm Jennie. Today's K-food is I will make a 전, kind of 전. It's a really famous 해물 파전. So 해물 is seafood and 파 is green onion. 전 is kind of pancake. So now I'll make 파전, 해물 파전. I will show you. First is the important things. Make a dough. So the ratio of this powder, this is actually 부침 powder. So we call 부침 is 전, 부침개. So we say 전 is 부침, the same word. And this powder, if you don't have 부침가루, and you prepare the flour. And this one is the ingredients make 해물파전. This is some I prepared today. Shrimp and squeeze 오징어 and egg, and because the color for the color, and this chili, and main ingredient green onion, and this is onions. So I will make first the dough, show you. And if you have a cup of powder, and you need a cup of water. So the ratio of water to powder is 1:1. Okay? So So a cup of powder and a cup of water. And here, I will mix it later. And first, you cut this green onion and 5 to 6 centimeters long. You cut it. And if you big one, you cut like this. Make it thin. Is so green onion. And also onion little bit. It's better to cut, slice it thinly. The later, when ready the dough, and then we mix it all together. And this chili. Okay, the red one. And here, the shrimp and squeeze. Important thing is, if there's a lot of moisture, it's not good to make 전. So if you have a dry towel, the paper towel, you take out the water from the seafood. If you have another different kind of seafood, if you like, you mix it together. It's okay. And now I told you the powder and water is the 1:1. You mix well. So maybe this, like this. Okay. Here, I put the seafood. And mix. And also this green onion. And here, an egg. And maybe it needs some salt, a little bit salt. Now I will mix all vegetables and and seafood. Today's seafood is a shrimp and squid. And here, and some onion. And mix it. And the pan, you pour enough oil. So make it jeon is crumble. If you want to check the temperature, proper temperature, you okay, and maybe some, yes, like this time. It is time to make jeon. Okay, now I will, here I'll use big spoon. Now is the middle temperature. Lower the middle temperature to the lower temperature and wait, because when the back part of jeon is ready to turn over, we will turn over the jeon. So wait until just right time. Okay, check the back side of the jeon. Oh, to wait a little bit more time. So just before you turn over the jeon, you put this chili, red chili and green chili, like this. And so near the Busan, there's a 동네. The place name is 동네. There's a very famous, this green onion jeon is 동네 파전. We call 동네 파전. It is very famous. And that one is the how to make the jeon is very similar, like this. Okay, and some more oil, the side and middle. Because now I will turn over the jeon. Pour some oil. So it's a check. It's no, I think it's a little bit more time. We wait. Now, watch this. Okay, but this time don't push hard because the chili is a little bit too cooked, so it's burned. So just leave it and shake it a little bit, because I pour the oil just before turn over the jeon. Okay, then I think it's ready to eat. It's a time. Now it's ready to serve. Okay, you know I use 청양 chili, so it's really spicy. But I'm sure that it's very tasty. Okay, I'm ready. The seafood jeon, so 파전. You know, this one is a very spicy smell, so I make it cough. It's too spicy. But okay, anyway, it's ready to eat. If you have rice wine, you know, 막걸리. Usually Korean people, when they're raining outside, they really love to eat this jeon, this kind of jeon with 막걸리. So actually this morning it's raining outside, so I thought, so today I will make this jeon. So now I introduce this jeon. So try this one to eat with your friend and have a good dinner and nice. Actually, it's very spicy. Okay, anyway, bye. See you next time.